Hello, welcome back to our circle theorem journey, and I'm so glad to have you back. Okay, so we are in theorem 4 now, and the fourth part of the theorem says a triangle formed by two radii is isosceles. You know, the aim of all this theorem is so that you know all the laws that govern the circle geometry. And when you see a circle geometry question, you see the diagram and you know the law to apply to each of them. So every law is specific to different kind of diagrams. So we've done a lot of them up to now, and we're still going to do more. So note the specific diagrams for each rule or specific diagram for each theorem and apply them accordingly. Okay, that's how you get the right solution to every circle geometry. Okay, so today we have the fourth theorem on our list, and the fourth theorem says a triangle formed by two radii is isosceles. So let's look at the diagram specific to this theorem. So this is a circle and this is the center. Then two radii here and another radii here, right? So you see these two radii here, they formed a triangle, okay? So this way, they formed a triangle here. So these two radii is saying, this equation, this theorem is saying that when two radii form a triangle, the triangle is isosceles, meaning that the opposite sides are equal and the base angles are equal. That's simply what this equation is saying. Opposite sides are equal and base angles are equal. So let's work a problem on that. So we have 90, we have k, and we have to find the value of k. So how do we do it? Remember, this is an isosceles triangle because it is formed by two radii, okay? So since this is an isosceles triangle, that means if this place is k, then here is k as well. So we have 2k, which is k plus k is 2k plus 90 degree, and this is a triangle. Angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 2k equals 180 take away 90, and 2k equals 90 degree. So k now will equal 90 divided by 2, which would give us 41 degree. So therefore, k equals 90, 41, 41 degree, and that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and also invite your friends to follow us.